सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्द मार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
I was able to put it in the correct place.
How do you know that this is the correct place?
Isn't the correct place of the garbage in the garbage bin?
No. It was fine when it was with you. Now that is in the bin, it would turn into poison.
How is that?
Hey, Motu! I mean, Chotu. Chotu, tell me, why did you do that?
That is waste, so I threw it in the dustbin.
That is what I'm asking you. Why did you throw it? Do you know I was explaining the same to Mayank just now? That disposing plastic is not at all easy. Don't you know that it releases a poisonous gas? And this in turn spoils the fertility of water and soil.
Then what should we do?
We should reuse it.
But how?
Come on, I'll show you that. Okay, give me that bottle. You can cut this bottle into any shape you would like to. It all depends on your creativity. I will cut this from this point, okay? So, we have cut it. Now, we can apply any color of our choice on it, isn't it? Now we will have to let it dry. And when it dries up, then we can add a thread or a wire after folding it from all four ends so that we can hang it at any place. Now this is ready to use. Now we will add salt to it and plant a seed. Okay? Let's go. This is the bottle's correct place.
Wow, Didi, this hanging is so beautiful.
If we hang more of this on the window, then it would look great.
It is indeed looking beautiful, and our future generations won't even be dependent on the oxygen cylinders to survive.
What do you mean we won't need oxygen cylinders for survival?
By this I mean that when there is a scarcity of natural oxygen in the atmosphere, then even India will need to source oxygen cylinders from Canada like the way China does. And the money we have been spending to buy all the required commodities will have to be utilized to buy the required oxygen cylinders for survival.
No, Didi, we will never let this happen to us. We will do everything to reduce waste and enhance the quality of atmosphere, as this is the need of the hour. Didi, what do we do with this now?
I'll tell you about it. But first you all will have to promise me that from today onwards you would also reuse the old and waste materials for a better future, okay?
Okay, Didi, promise. But even you need to promise us that you'll teach us how to reuse all the old materials.
Okay, fine. Promise.
Before you throw any material by considering it a waste, we need to think about it, whether it could be used as an alternative and turn out to be helpful. But we never think like that. Just think if no one had thought about reusing an old and waste material for a better environment, then the world would have never known about a precious stone called diamond, because they have always remained below the earth's surface.
Mayank, why are you collecting these garbage?
Mummy, this is not garbage. These are useful materials.
Mayank, what are you doing? These kids, I tell you, they are always up to something or the other. God.
Didi had said that all old materials should be collected.
This old watch has stopped working. No use now. I'll take it out. Grandma's specs. These are very old. This file. This is always lying in Daddy's cupboard. I think Daddy wants to dispose of all the old files. I'll take this too. This towel, it is indeed very old. I'll take this one too.
Didi!
Hey, glad to see you both.
Didi, I collected all these materials.
And I collected these.
Very good.
Have a look, Didi. I collected these materials.
Hey, Chotu, what have you collected all this for?
You only told us that we should reuse all the old materials to make new ones. And these are all old materials.
Old material which is useless and are considered as waste. Chotu, this seems to be useful. And these files?
These were to be disposed of.
Is it? You fool! These are the property papers of your dad.
What? Property papers? I would have been dead.
Hey? Where did he disappear?
Don't worry about him. He will be back. Could we start our work now?
Yes, of course.
Yes, Didi, let's start.
Today we'll make many decorative items from all the waste material.
Wow, decorative.
beautiful these items are, na?
Very good, Mayank. Today we made so many decorative items from waste. Please make some more at home and bring them tomorrow so I can see them. Okay?
But Didi, what could we make?
You could make and bring anything which is either decorative or useful. We could make so many useful things from small waste. Like the ice cream sticks after we eat the ice cream. We could make so many things from it. All you need to think is how would you reuse it? After all, this is called creativity.
Let me make something from this newspaper. But it needs to be useful. But what can I make? A thing which could be very useful. Yes, I can make a carry bag.
Every book has some pages left. I'll do one thing. I'll collect all the pages together and can be used as a rough notebook. My rough notebook is ready.
This is so yummy. These sticks are sufficient. Now let me make something out of them.
Hello, Didi.
Hi.
Didi, look at this. I made this for you.
Wow, paper bag. Very good, Mayank.
Thank you, Didi.
And have a look, Didi. I made this rough notebook.
Wow. You managed to make a rough notebook from old pages. Very nice.
Thank you.
And Chotu, what did you make and bring?
Have a look, Didi. I made this a Kristen.
Very good. But what happened to your voice?
Actually, Didi, I had to eat lot of ice creams to make this decorative item.
You ate so many ice creams to make this?
Of course, Didi. How would I have managed to make this without the ice cream sticks?
But you could have made something else too.
Didi, nothing was as tasty as the ice creams.
Are you happy now? Isn't your throat troubling you? Why did you have to eat them all alone? You could have even distributed them.
Oh yes, this didn't even strike me.
Didi, what are we going to make today?
We won't make anything here today. We will make something in the society. You would have noticed that there are so many waste materials lying down.
Yes, Didi. Our society has a lot of waste materials.
So let's go. We could go and see what we could make out of those materials today.
Okay.
Okay.
What we could make out of those materials today?
Okay.
What we could make out of those materials today?
Okay.
What we could make out of those materials today?
Okay.
Hey, listen. Please gather all the garbage and throw it in the dumping yard.
Secretary uncle, please don't throw these waste materials. We will reuse them.
You will reuse them. As in these waste materials. These are of no use, so what's the point then?
These are not useless. In fact, they are very useful.
Listen, I have managed this time with great difficulty to sort this issue.
Uncle, please give us 2 days. And in case we can't manage to handle this issue, then please get this disposed of.
Okay. But just 2 days.
Yes.
Okay then, let's leave now. Come on.
Didi, when will this uncle understand that we can use old and waste materials?
He will. When we'll make some useful thing out of them and prove him wrong.
As in?
As in Mayank, we'll organize an exhibition of the things we make. So, we will display all the items you all would be making from these materials. And I was thinking that if we are organizing an exhibition, then why don't we work harder towards it? Let's make something big, useful and very interesting. And this would be appreciated by all.
Yes, Didi.
We all are ready. So then let's start and complete the task today and then collect the newspapers from the society members.
Why do we need the newspapers?
I'll tell you everything later. Now let's go.
Any good deed should actually begin from our homes, after that society, and then at national level. So friends, as you saw, that the kids started from their home and then reached their society. All we need is little encouragement, which is required for all of us. Because we all possess creativity, we need to implement the ideas we have, just like these kids are doing.
Didi, here you go. Wow, Didi, everything is looking so beautiful.
Yes, Didi. Very beautiful.
Okay, now tell me, did you inform everyone?
Yes, Didi.
Come on, Mr. Sharma ji. Please hurry up. The kids have invited us.
I'm coming, but first tell me why have the society kids invited us today?
That we'll have to go and find out.
Okay.
See how the talented kids have made use of the waste materials here.
Hey, look at that tire.
Oh yes. I didn't notice it before. Very nice.
So, Secretary Uncle, hope you like them.
You all have done a brilliant job.
You haven't yet seen the brilliant piece of work.
What do you mean?
I mean, let's go there. Come on, kids.
things which were impacting the atmosphere. If we can use them to make our atmosphere better, then what could be better than that? Rock Garden of Chandigarh and Delhi's Prakriti Metro Park are perfect examples of making best out of waste materials. It is easy to waste, but intelligent is the person who can make the best out of waste materials. Please do make an attempt. Your creativity will get recognized and you will also contribute in making the future sustainable.